Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Zigzag Color Indicator for MT4. This tool plots a classic zigzag line on the chart, but uses color changes to make swing highs, swing lows, and directional legs easier to see at a glance. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports. And here we have it. As you can see, the zigzag color indicator draws connected lines between significant swing highs and lows, forming a zigzag pattern directly on your charts. Upward legs and downward legs show bullish and bearish conditions or bullish and bearish swings. These legs help you visually follow the current swing direction, identify larger structures, and see where price has reversed most recently. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. Core settings usually include the zigzag depth, deviation, and backstep parameters that determine how large a move must be before a new swing point is confirmed. So here we have the bars, we have minimum retracement to delete, and then show high and low. You can adjust these inputs to make the zigzag more sensitive to small swings or more focused on major turning points, as well as set custom colors and line thickness for the up and down legs. So who is this for? The zigzag color indicator is ideal for traders who analyze market structure, waves, and swing points for support, resistance, and pattern recognition. It depends as swings evolve, does not give direct trade signals, and should be used as a visual structure tool alongside independent analysis and risk management, not as a standalone system. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Zigzag Color Indicator MT4 and see example charts at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.